To fix if your iPhone photos not loading on your messages app. If you received any photo on your messages and if it's not loading, then here are the fixes, some various workaround you must apply. And the first one is make sure that network is stable. To do so, turn on flight mode and wait for 3 to 4 seconds and again turn off flight mode and check whether your error is loading or not. The go to next fixes, and the next one is tap on settings again, and here go to messages settings, tap on it, and here make sure that iMessages is duly turned on, and also iMessages should be turned on. Thereafter go to next fixes, and the next one is again go to settings of your iPhone, tap on settings and tap on your profile name and tap on iCloud, and here tap on show all under apps using iCloud and make sure that messages in iCloud is on. Tap on it and turn this feature, messages in iCloud should be turned on, and check whether iPhone photos loading in your messages or not. If not, go to the next fixes, again go to back of same, tap on settings again, and here go to messages settings, tap on it, and here scroll down and send and receive address should be clear. If you found not send and receive message, then set is. Duly your iCloud name and other features are visible on this page. Thereafter, tap on profile name again and tap on sign out of your iCloud, and after some times re-sign in again to your iCloud. This is a important workaround. So first sign out of from your iCloud and then re-sign in again. The next fixes is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset again, choose reset network settings, unlock your iPhone and tap on reset network settings again and follow on a screen instruction to complete the process, and check whether your iPhone photos in messages loading or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is tap on settings, tap on your profile name, tap on iCloud and make sure that sufficient storage is available under your iCloud drive. To loading any photos, sufficient storage is required.